Hey everyone, this is Tim, and today I'm going to be going over another monthly paying dividend stock. This one's going to be Horizon Technology Finance. I'm going to be going over the stock performance over the last year. Going to be going over the company information, the dividend information, their company financials, and also whether there's any good options you can do to possibly lower your cost basis or make any extra income off this stock. And then for fun, I'm going to be seeing how many shares of the stock we would need to get $1,000 a month in dividend income. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out my channel. And you can also join my Discord for free. I will have that link in the description below. And every day when the stock market's open, I'll be posting a stock pick for that day. So there's no guarantee you're going to make money in the stock market, even on my picks, but why not take a shot if you're interested? Hope you have a great day and have a good week in the stock market. Horizon Technology Finance, ticker symbol HRZN, is currently, as of the time of this recording, on September 6th, 2021, is trading for $17.13 per share. Keep in mind right now that the stock market is closed due to Labor Day. It does have an EPS of 1.27 and a PE ratio of 13.51. Basically, that just means that their company is valued at 13.51 times their current earnings. And they have had a 42.75% gain over the last year. Year to date, they are up 29.38%. Over the last 6 months, 26.79%. They are down 0.81% over the last month, and over the last 5 days, they are up 1.18%. Horizon Technology Finance Corporation is a business development company specializing in lending and investing in development stage investments. It focuses on making secured debt and venture lending investments to venture capital-backed companies in the technology, life science, healthcare information and services, and clean tech industries. It seeks to invest in companies in the United States. It was founded in 2008 and is headquartered in Farmington, Connecticut. The dividend information is that they have a 7.01% dividend yield. They have an annual payout per share of $1.20. They have a payout ratio of 94.64%. They have a negative 2.76% 5-year growth rate. And they do not have any record right now of dividend growth. They pay 10 cents per share monthly for their dividend, so that's why for 12 months it comes to $1.20 per share. They have an ex-dividend date roughly around the middle of the month, with a payout date on the middle of the next month. And again, this is a monthly paying dividend stock. For the financials, I'm actually going to be using the financials listed on Seeking Alpha. You know, they may not be 100% accurate. I tried looking at the financials on the SEC filings from Horizon Technologies, and they are just very, very confusing. You can go to their website and go to their investor relations and check their SEC filing to see what I mean. And they have the first and second quarters combined for both 2020 and 2021, and then the second quarter for 2020 and 2021. And you would think with the combination that the combination one would be higher than just the second quarter, but it's not. And at the bottom, the net portfolio is the same for both. So to me, the math for their SEC filings just doesn't add up. So I decided to use the financials listed on Seeking Alpha. For their revenues, you can see it goes back to December 2016. They went from 1.6 million to 2 million in 2017. Again, in 2018, they went up to 3.8 million in 2019, and then they're at 3.7 million in December 2020, and over the trailing 12 months, they are at 3.4 million. For some reason, for the trailing 12 months, they have 45.7 million for other revenues, which doesn't make much sense, but they do. And then for 2016, they have 31.4 million. Then it goes down to 23.8 million in 2017. It goes up to 29 million in 2018. Goes up to 39.3 in 2019, and then 42.3 million in December 2020. bringing their total revenues to $33 million in 2016, down to $25.8 million in 2017, back up to $31.1 million in 2018, $43.118 in 2019, and $46 million in 2020. And over the trailing 12 months, they have $49.1 million, which is their gross profit. They have selling, general, and administrative expenses for 2016 of $10.1 million, goes down to $8.3 million in 2017, goes back up to $10.8 million in 2018, $14.1 million in 2019, and then $15.4 million in December 2020. And for the trailing 12 months, they are at $16.3 million. So their operating income at that point then goes to December 2016 of $22.9 million, then 2017, $17.5 million. December 2018 is $20.3 million, then $29 million in 2019. In December 2020, they're at $30.6 million, and over the trailing 12 months, they are at $32.8 million. Now, the options for Horizon's a little bit different. It's hard to find a put that's worth selling if you're interested in buying 100 shares of this company. For instance, in September of this year, you can only get $1. So it would only lower your cost basis to $14.99 if you were to get a $15 strike price, which means you would be agreeing to buy the 100 shares for $15 a share if the stock price goes below $15 by the time that the option expires. And then for October, for the $15 strike price, you can get 10 cents or $10 since it's 100 shares, which would lower your cost basis to $14.90. Now you can make a little bit more if you sell a put that's in the money. For instance, the 17.5, which right now is more expensive than the actual share price. And you can do that. The problem is there isn't any volume for that, for this expiration date. Now if you go to January 2022, you can get a $68, but again, there isn't any volume. So trading options for this stock is going to be problematic at best, just because there isn't any volume for any of the options. Now on TradingView here, you can see the stock performance since January 2021. You can see here that it has dipped in the RSI band a little bit, and here it rose sharply above the RSI band, as well as the MACD also rose sharply during this time. This is right around the time, around March of this year, and you can see that the price jumped up, and then it kind of stabilized over the last couple months, so it's been going mostly flat for the most part. It has gone a little bit high in the RSI band, and here it touched it a little bit at the bottom end. But right now, the RSI is right about in the middle. The MACD is a little bit on the low side, but overall, it should stay, at least in my opinion, probably fairly flat for the most part. Now, for my favorite part of these videos, being able to see how much you would have to invest in this particular stock in order to get $1,000 a month in estimated average monthly income from dividends. Now keep in mind, I do not recommend at all investing all of your money into one company. It is very risky, and I definitely recommend diversifying so that way not all of your investments are in one company, because if that company were to go bankrupt for any kind of reason or have law trouble or anything like that, then you would risk losing all of your money. But just for fun, I like to see how many shares I would have to have of a company to get $1,000 a month. In this particular case, it's easy because they pay $1.20 per share per year. So I just had to multiply 10,000 shares, and I get $12,000 estimated annual income, which is $1,000 per month. And that comes to a market value of $171,300. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it educational and entertaining. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out my channel far more than you know, and helps other people see these videos. And don't forget about the link to my Discord in the description below. You can join that for free and see my daily stock picks. And again, I hope you have a great day, stay safe, and have a good week in the markets.